You ever feel like your kitchen is just missing something? Like, no matter how hard you try, your counter space is always overflowing. Your appliances are fighting for outlets. And finding a place for all your spices feels like a game of Tetris? I've been there, and honestly, it can make cooking feel more stressful than relaxing. That's why today, I wanted to take a close look at something that promises to fix all of that. The Hoobro Kitchen Island with power outlet. This rolling kitchen island isn't just a fancy table. It's designed to give you extra prep space, smart storage, and yes, a built-in power solution for your gadgets, all in a compact, stylish design. Right out of the box, the Hoobro Kitchen Island strikes you with its clean, modern aesthetic. The combination of natural wood and crisp, white finishes manages to feel both elegant and homey. The surface itself is a solid 15 by 26 inches, giving you just enough space for chopping, plating, or even setting up a small coffee station. What I love is that it doesn't feel oversized or clunky, which makes it perfect for both apartments and larger kitchens that need some flexible counter space. The materials feel thoughtful without being over-engineered. It's built from particle board, MDF, and a touch of metal in the frame, which keeps it sturdy while still lightweight enough to roll around. The smooth surface wipes down in seconds. Honestly, a damp rag is all you need. There's a tactile satisfaction in sliding open the drawer or swinging the doors to access the storage compartments, which makes the island feel more premium than its price tag might suggest. Speaking of storage, this is where the Hoobro Kitchen Island really shines. The top drawer is perfect for your everyday utensils, from knives to spatulas, while the lower double-door cabinet offers an adjustable shelf that can handle bowls, cookware, or even a toaster. On one side, there's a clever 3-tier spice rack with rails, meaning all your essential seasonings are organized, visible, and within arm's reach while you cook. It's these little practical touches that make it feel like this island was designed by someone who actually spends time in a kitchen. The performance in day-to-day use is surprisingly seamless. The 4 360-degree swivel wheels make moving the island effortless, whether you're rearranging for a dinner party or just cleaning the floor underneath. 2 of the wheels lock, which keeps it perfectly stationary when you need a steady prep surface. And the built-in power strip, game changer. With 3 sockets and a nearly 5-foot cord, you can plug in a blender, coffee maker, or slow cooker without ever hunting for an outlet, turning the island into a true multifunctional workspace. Of course, no product is perfect. While the materials feel solid, the particle board and MDF aren't indestructible. Heavy impacts or long-term moisture exposure might be a concern, so you'll want to be mindful when handling very wet pots or using them near sinks. And while the spice rack is handy, taller bottles sometimes need to be angled carefully to fit. These aren't deal breakers, but they're worth noting. Comparing this to similar kitchen carts and islands in the same price range, the Hoobro Kitchen Island holds its own. Some alternatives offer more countertop space, but lack mobility or a built-in power strip. Others are sturdier but come in bulkier, heavier designs that are harder to move. This model strikes a balance between functionality, aesthetics, and flexibility that makes it a strong contender if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen without committing to a full remodel. So, who is this island perfect for? If you live in a smaller space, frequently cook or entertain, or just need a stylish spot to organize kitchen essentials while keeping your appliances plugged in, it's an excellent fit. If you're looking for an industrial-strength island that can support hundreds of pounds of gear or survive heavy-duty commercial use, you might want to explore heavier-duty options. After spending a few weeks putting this island through its paces, my verdict is clear. I'd give the Hoobro Kitchen Island with power outlet a 9.5 out of 10. It looks great, performs well in everyday use, and solves multiple kitchen headaches in one compact, versatile design. It's practical, attractive, and makes cooking feel more organized and enjoyable. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen setup, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you won't miss more honest, hands-on product reviews that help make your home life a little easier. Trust me, this rolling kitchen island might just be the little upgrade your kitchen has been begging for.